A very good morning, dear children. Let us start our next chapter, that is chapter number 6, Patty and the Kids. So before starting, write down date on the top. What is the name of the chapter? It is Patty and the Kids. What is the meaning of Patty? Patty is the Tamil word in this chapter, which means grandmother. Let me show you down here. So what is Patty means? You can see down below. Patty means grandmother in Tamil. Here you can see it is written. So in Tamil they call grandmother Patty. Okay, so in this chapter we will read about Patty and the kids. So which kids are there we will read in the chapter. So what's to know? Peels, coconut shells, litter. I'll show you these also. I'll tell you about images also. The meaning of shells, litter, what does it mean? Okay, peels are outer covering of a fruit, like we are eating banana. So when we are opening it, before eating we are opening it, we peel off it. Means in Hindi we say chilka, right? So that is peel off. Same way when we are eating orange, then also we peel off the orange, then we eat oranges. Yes. So peels, coconut shells. Shell is hard covering of something, like when we're, you can see, you must have seen the coconut. Coconut is hard from outside. That outer area is called shells. And litter meaning when we throw garbage or rubbish, we throw here and there. We spread here and there. That means litter. Okay, I have attached pictures also, images also with the question answer. You can see it. Okay, so let us start with the reading. Characters. Character means how many persons are there, who are here in this chapter, who are the characters here. Okay, so characters are Pia, she is Pia. Patty, Pia's grandmother, she is Patty, Pia's grandmother. Who else is there in the chapter? Mummy, Pia's mother, and her friends Manu, Anya, Saba. Okay, it's Sunday. Pia wakes up early in the morning. Her parents are going to take her to the beach. So the day is Sunday, and where they are going? Pia's parents are taking her to the beach. So they are going to the beach. Pia, oh mummy, I am so excited to go to the beach. So what she says to her mother? I am very much happy. I'm very happy. I'm feeling very happy because we are going to the beach. So what mummy says? Mummy, have your breakfast first, dear. Then keep those sandwiches and oranges in the basket. Then she says, okay, first of all have your breakfast, then keep the sandwiches and oranges in the basket which we are taking to the beach. Pia has her breakfast. Then Pia took her breakfast. She takes her breakfast. She packs the sandwiches and the oranges. Then she packs the sandwiches and the oranges. Patty is reading the newspaper. So what Patty is doing, grandmother is doing, she is reading the newspaper. Next, Pia, Patty, let us hurry up. We are going to the beach. Then she says to her grandmother, let us hurry up. We are going to the beach. Then what Patty says? Okay, dear. Please put 2 large empty bags in the basket. So okay, we are going to the beach, but keep 2 empty bags in your basket. Then she asks, Pia asks, for what, Patty? Then Patty says, we will need 1 bag for the plastic and tin waste. Means whatever we will drink, we will keep those tin and plastic in 1 bag. If we will leave plastic and tin in the sand, they will remain there for thousands of years, because plastic and tin, you must have seen plastic, tin, polythene bags. These things are non-biodegradable. Okay, they remains as it is for thousands of years. If something else is there, like papers are there, that can melt, then that can be decomposed, but plastics and tin cannot be decomposed. Okay, so they remains as it is for so long, for thousands of years, if nobody will take care of it. So We will need the other bag to carry back waste. She says, why we need other bag? We need other bag to carry our waste, like oranges, like orange peels. So because they are taking oranges also with them, so we can keep those orange peels in those and within that another bag. We will mix the peels with the soil in our garden. It will make the soil healthy. Pia, that's nice, Betty. So she says to her, Pia's grandmother tells to her, we will take another poly bag to keep orange peels in that, and then we will come back, we will bring that orange peels at home, and then we will put that in our garden, okay, in the soil. So what will happen, when we will put in our soil, the soil will become healthy, okay, because it will work as a manure. So Pia puts 2 large empty bags along with the food. The family reaches the beach. Then they reach the beach. Pia, oh mummy, look at this part of the beach. It is so dirty. There are no tin cans. There are tin cans, paper cups, straws, pieces of foil, banana peels, coconut shells, glass and plastic bottles. So many things are lying here. Who has thrown? When they went to people, those are going there, they are throwing over there, and that is called litter. Whatever is garbage you can see in the, on the floor in the screen, that is called litter. Means it is spread here and there. Okay, so what things? Tin cans, paper cups, straw, pieces of foil, banana peels, coconut shells, glass and the plastic bottle. So these things were lying over there. So what Pia sees her friends Manu, Anya and Saba on the beach. Her friends were also there. When she went over there with her family, her friends also came there. Okay, so when she sees her, she felt very happy. She's happy to see them. They talk about the litter. What is litter? This is litter, whatever is there on the floor. Let me show you the picture of litter also. So you can see the picture better here. This is called litter. Okay, when we throw garbage here and there, means this is called litter. Okay, let us move to the another page. They talk about the litter on the beach. I show you the picture. I showed you the picture of litter. What is litter? So that was a litter. Okay, in the same way like it is here. Pia tells her friends about the 2 bags they have brought. She tells her friend that we have brought 2 bags. In one we will keep all the tins and the plastics, and in another we will keep food items, orange peels, banana peels and etc. So the children want to collect the waste in the bags and throw them in the big bin on the beach. So on the beach, the big dustbin was lying there. So they want to collect all those things and they want to throw it on the beach. Next page. Pia, let us get to work. Anya and Manu, please put the plastic and tin waste in this bag. So Pia tells to her friends Anya and Manu that you have to keep all the tins, plastics, bottles in this bag only. Then Saba and I, means Saba and Pia, will use the other bag for fruit peels, coconut shells and other food waste. So they used it for coconut shells, fruit peels and the other food waste. Next, Anya, Manu, Saba and Pia start collecting waste in their bags. So they collected all the waste in their bags separately. Anya, done. Anya says, done. Our bag is full. People on the beach helped us too. So people, those over there, they also helped them. Let us throw all this waste in that big bin. So they went to throw all the waste in the bin. Pia, great. I will take this waste home. Patty will mix it with the soil in the garden, in our garden. So she says, the another bag I'll take at home. We will mix it in our soil which is there in our garden. So it will make the soil rich. Then our soil will become rich. Rich means healthy. It will make the plants healthy. Then our plants will also be healthy. Means it will work as a manure which plants need to grow. Okay. The children are happy to see a clean beach. When they clean all the beach, and they were very happy, they were feeling very happy that because they cleaned the beach and it was looking neat and clean. Okay, so what we have learned from this chapter? We learn that if you are going somewhere for picnic or for fun, if you are taking eatables with you, you should not throw over there. You should not throw, you should use the dustbin. If dustbin is there, if dustbin is not there, you can take the carry bag, you can put all the waste garbage in that carry bag. Okay, so this letter tells us that we should not litter if we are going somewhere. That is the bad habit. It makes our surrounding dirty. So we should keep our surrounding clean. Clear? So now we will do the question answer. So these are your question answer, dear students. You have to write these 4 questions in your notebook. Okay. Let us read. Why is Pia excited? Pia is excited because her parents are going to take her to the beach. Question 2. What will happen if we leave plastic and tin in the sand? If we will leave plastic and tin in the sand, it will remain there for thousands of years because it will not decompose and it will remain there for thousands of years. Question 3. What did Anya and Manu put in their bag? They put plastic and tin waste in their bag. What will Saba and Pia? Question number 4. 5 questions are there. What will Saba and Pia use the other bag for? So Saba and Pia, what they are using the other bag for? They are using it. They will use their bag for fruit peel, coconut shells and other food waste. Question number 5. What will Patty do with the waste Pia takes home? The waste which Pia takes to home, what Patty will do with it? So Patty will mix the waste with the soil in the garden. Okay. So dear students, these are your 5 questions. Write it neatly in your notebook. Then next time I'll send you difficult words and the word meaning and back exercise. Okay. So that's all. Take care.